How to fix Windows 11 start menu not working. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, what you can do is simply go to your task manager and then search for Windows Explorer. Right click on it and then simply restart task. Sometimes this simple process can fix your start menu not working. But if not, what you can do is simply run your command prompt and run it as an administrator. After that, simply write this command which will restart and reinstall your start menu. So that is get app package space Microsoft dot start Microsoft dot start menu experience and host space and then simply write reset app package and enter it. So this will fix, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.